Hello, I'm Dr. Olivia Harper. Let me start by asking you something simple but powerful. Do your mornings still begin with the same strength and confidence they once did? Or have they become quieter, softer, maybe even uncertain? If that firmness, that spark that once defined your mornings has begun to fade, please know it doesn't mean your body is broken or your best days are behind you. In many cases, it simply means your internal energy flow has slowed, your circulation has weakened, or your hormonal rhythm needs gentle stimulation to awaken again. Today, I'm going to show you 3 powerful pressure points that can help restore that natural energy and firmness safely, gently, and completely drug-free. Before we begin, take a second to subscribe because I share simple yet deeply effective health methods every week, the kind that help you rebuild strength, vitality, and confidence naturally. And in the comments, tell me, have you ever tried acupressure before? I'd love to hear what your experience has been because every story adds to the collective wisdom of healing. Now, let's begin with the first point. One of the most ancient and respected in all of Chinese medicine, it sits just below your belly button, about 2 to 3 finger widths down. This point is called the Sea of Energy. And the name couldn't be more fitting. When you press here gently but firmly, you are awakening one of the body's deepest energy reservoirs. In traditional Chinese practice, this point is known to stimulate blood flow and energy movement through the lower abdomen and pelvic region. But from a modern medical standpoint, it makes perfect sense. The area beneath the navel is rich with arteries, lymph nodes, and nerves connected directly to the reproductive organs and digestive system. When you activate it, you're not just sending energy, you're increasing circulation, strengthening muscle tone, and calming nerve function all at once. I often tell my patients, press this spot for 30 to 60 seconds while breathing deeply and allow yourself to feel the warmth spreading outward. That warmth is circulation awakening. That gentle pulse is your body remembering its natural rhythm. If you practice this each evening before bed, you're essentially preparing your body for deeper nighttime repair and yes, stronger, more reliable mornings. What makes this point so extraordinary is that it doesn't just improve blood flow. It balances energy. It anchors your breathing, centers your nervous system, and brings a subtle feeling of calm and confidence. Many men describe that after just a few days of this practice, they feel calmer before bed, their sleep becomes deeper, and they wake up not only stronger, but more centered both physically and emotionally. Another beautiful benefit of this point is stress release. Modern life, sitting long hours, poor posture, constant emotional tension traps a surprising amount of stress in the lower abdomen. You can't always see it, but your body feels it. By pressing the Sea of Energy point, you release that tension. It's like unclogging a blocked stream so the water can flow again. The result is smoother energy, better blood flow, and a quiet boost in vitality that supports every part of masculine health, including firmer, more natural morning erections. And here's a fascinating connection most people overlook. This same point also influences digestion. When digestion improves, nutrient absorption rises. Better nutrient absorption means your body gets the raw materials it needs to produce hormones like testosterone and nitric oxide, both critical for energy, stamina, and sexual function. So, in simple terms, pressing this spot doesn't just help your stomach, it helps your stamina. Now, let's move on to the second point, which sits along one of the most important circulatory pathways in the male body. Slide your hand gently along your inner thigh, right to where it meets the groin. That soft crease you feel, that's home to the femoral artery, one of the main blood highways to your lower body. When you apply gentle rhythmic pressure here, you're not just massaging muscles, you're helping to relax the vessel walls, stimulate fresh blood flow, and release blockages that may have built up from years of sitting, driving, or even stress. If you've ever woken up feeling that your desire is present, but your body isn't fully responding, this point can make a remarkable difference. Think of it as opening the floodgates, inviting blood to flow freely to where it's needed most. What makes this point particularly effective is that it often holds hidden tension. We cross our legs, we sit for hours, we clench the hips without realizing it, and that slowly compresses circulation. By pressing and massaging this area daily, you're literally teaching your blood vessels to relax again, allowing your body's natural energy to return. Over time, this simple habit can reawaken responsiveness and strength that had quietly faded. There's another layer of benefit here that most men don't realize: the lymphatic system. This same inner thigh area supports lymphatic drainage, your body's natural detox network. When you stimulate it, you're helping to clear away waste products that slow recovery and drain energy. The result is a lighter, cleaner feeling in your lower body, and over time, a renewed sense of vigor. After 1 to 2 weeks of consistent practice, many men report waking up feeling fresher with more energy throughout the day and stronger, more natural firmness without relying on any supplements or medication. And here's something especially encouraging. Working on this point also helps relax the hips and the pelvic floor muscles. These muscles are the foundation of your sexual function. When they're weak or tense, performance suffers. By stimulating this area daily, you restore flexibility, coordination, and blood flow to the very muscles that sustain erections. That means better control, better endurance, and greater confidence. Now, the third point might surprise you because it's located far away from the pelvis, yet it's deeply connected to your internal strength. On the inside of your ankle, just above the bone, there's a small indentation known as kidney 3, or as ancient practitioners called it, the root of vitality. This point is believed to connect directly to the kidneys and adrenal system, the energy centers responsible for hormonal balance, stamina, and sexual vitality. When you press or massage this point gently with your thumb in small, slow circles for about a minute on each side, you stimulate the system that governs testosterone, blood pressure regulation, and nerve tone. Men who practice this daily often report not only stronger morning performance, but a renewed sense of energy throughout the day, as if they've reconnected to their younger selves. The beauty of Kidney 3 is that it works on multiple levels. It supports sexual health, yes, but it also calms the nervous system, helping to reduce anxiety and improve sleep quality. When your sleep deepens, your testosterone levels rise more naturally, your blood vessels recover, your heart rate stabilizes, so when morning comes, your body feels recharged, clear, rested, and ready. Another hidden gift of this point is systemic circulation. By activating Kidney 3, you help regulate the flow of blood and energy throughout your entire body from the brain to the toes. That steady flow is what nourishes tissues, maintains hormonal balance, and preserves stamina and endurance over time. Men who stay consistent with this practice often notice something remarkable after a few weeks. Their mood improves, their focus sharpens, and their energy stays steady from morning to night. It's as if the entire system starts humming again in harmony. Now, let's bring it all together. These 3 points form what I like to call a triangle of strength. The point below the navel, your sea of energy, wakes up the body's internal power. The inner thigh point opens the gates of circulation, and the ankle point, Kidney 3, reinforces your hormonal foundation. Together, they create a continuous circuit: energy, blood flow, and hormone balance working in synergy. This isn't magic. It's your body's design. You're simply reminding it of the pathways it already knows and giving it permission to function as it once did. But here's the truth that matters most: consistency. Doing this once or twice won't transform you overnight, but doing it daily, especially before bed or first thing in the morning, sets the stage for your body to restore itself. In the first week, you might notice deeper sleep. In the second, more energy upon waking. By the third or fourth, a steady return of firmness and confidence, and perhaps the most unexpected change, a renewed sense of optimism and connection to your body. These aren't just intimacy techniques. They're rituals of self-respect, A daily reminder that your health, your vitality, and your manhood are worth caring for. When you take those few minutes each day to press these points, breathe, and tune in, you're sending your body a clear message. I'm still here. I still care, and I still expect you to perform. And your body listens. With patience and consistency, this routine evolves into something profound, a way to stay connected to your inner strength, not just physically, but emotionally too. I know it can be discouraging when performance changes with age. Many men stay silent, pretending it doesn't matter, but deep down, it does. Intimacy, energy, and that quiet confidence of masculinity. They are not luxuries. They are essential parts of a healthy, fulfilled life. You deserve to feel that again. And the truth is, your body still has the power. You just need to press the right buttons. Remember, these changes are not your fault. Stress, inactivity, poor posture, nutrient deficiencies, and years of emotional pressure all add up. But none of that means you are powerless. Every man has the ability to rebuild circulation, to reawaken hormones, and to restore confidence. It doesn't require expensive treatments, just consistency, patience, and self-care. And when you begin to notice results, the improved energy, the deeper sleep, the spontaneous morning strength, something else awakens too. Hope. That feeling of control, of vitality, of life returning. You start to walk taller. You breathe deeper. You look forward to the day and to the night because you're no longer fighting time. You're working with it. Imagine waking up one morning, realizing that spark never truly disappeared. It was only waiting for your attention. If this message resonates with you, try these 3 points tonight. Give your body a chance to respond because it will. And when you feel the difference, share this knowledge. Don't keep it to yourself. Someone you know might need this quiet reminder that their strength is still alive too. I'm Dr. Olivia Harper, and I want every man watching this to remember: age does not define your vitality. Consistency does. Take care of yourself. Practice daily and watch how your body begins to thank you. Make sure to subscribe for more natural science-backed health guidance to keep your energy, circulation, and confidence alive for years to come.